Assalamu alaikum children. I hope you have watched my previous video in which I had taught you how to write an application. Now, to make your concept more clear, I will give you a little task to do so that you can exactly remember the format of application writing. But before starting on with the task, we have to revise some basic points of application writing. Okay students, now it's time to do some exercise so that you can learn the application writing in a better way. But before giving you a task, I would like you to revise the basic concept of application writing. Number first is we always write an application to our principal, who is our senior most authority. Like I've explained before, application consists of 6 main parts. The very first part is the heading, then comes the salutation, then comes the body part, then comes the closing part, the signature, and at the last comes the date. Do not forget to use appropriate punctuation mark like apostrophes and full stops wherever required. Every part of the application is written from the left-hand side of the page right next to your margin line. When you start writing the body part, do not forget to leave one finger space, and this is called the indentation. Okay students, over here I have given you a sample of an application so that you can follow the proper format and write an application for a leave due to sickness of your own. As you can see, I have written an application following all the parts, like there's heading, which involves the name of the person to whom you are writing the application, who is the principal. Then it has the name of your school, SLS Montessorian School, and then it has the name of the city where your school is located. Heading part is complete over here. Now comes the salutation, which is madam, then comes the comma, and I start with in a very polite manner by saying, with due respect, I beg to state that I'm suffering from high fever since last night. This is the reason for which you need the leave. So I'm unable to come to school. Therefore, kindly grant me a leave for 2 days. I've also mentioned the number of days for which leave I need. I will be thankful to you. Now comes the closing part, which will be yours obediently. Then comes your signature, which is Muhammad Ali. And then comes the date, which is April 20, 2020. As you know, you have to follow the proper format of date by writing the name of the month, the date, and the year. Okay students, over here I have given you a small activity, and that is to learn the format of application and write it thrice. By writing it, the format of application will properly be learned by you, and you will also learn where to put what punctuation marks. And another activity which I am going to give you is to write an application to your principal to arrange a field trip. Now you know the heading, the closing part, the signature, the date will be same as the previous one, but you just have to change the body part over here. You have to focus on your topic, which is to arrange a field trip, and request your principal to arrange a field trip for you. Okay children, I hope you will be doing this activity and this presentation is helpful for you. Hope you have enjoyed it also to learn new concept of application writing. Thank you.